Today we're going to show you the latest innovation from cavity sliders. We've got a new tool which combines two of the existing installation tools. This one is the soft stop positioning tool and this one is the Jamb Spreader. The new tool combines them both into one piece. The first use of this tool is as a jamb spreader. Jamb spreader is inserted into the mouth of the cavity slider to make sure that the jambs maintain a curved out shape. This is so when the wall linings get pushed on, or if there's a slight bow in the door, or if the flange of the handle were to move, it ensures there's a gap for clearance. The second part of the tool is as a soft stop activator positioning tool. So the activator goes into the track to make sure the soft stop mechanism closes at the right point. This tool is placed against the closing jamb or the wall adjacent. The door closes against it. That position there, the activator will be in the correct position to be tightened and inserted in the track so the soft stop mechanism works correctly.